On the way na tayo sa sport complex and this is the last day. Last day. So what time is it, Kuya? 9:40. 9:40. Sana mag-umulan. Holly, good morning.
Holly.
Much better today? Okay.
Still gonna learn what it is.
Yeah, pero better na siya today. Kaming ganap today dito. And yeah, that one I told you is going out. Come on. That's the way I said just go. Go straight there. Go. Para sa harapan pa rin tayo. Yes. Dito pa rin tayo sa harapan kahit medyo malayo. Alright. See you. Good luck. Love you. Play hard. Sana hindi na umulan. Blue sky naman. Nakachinelas lang ako. May ganap footing club to. Ian State. Dito yung state. So I can see. Tanong ko dito yung car. Saan tayo nakapark? Bilisan mo, babe. Ayan na yung car natin. Dito tayo. Kasi hindi na natin masyado makita dun eh. Aha! Yan. Diba? Mas closer tayo. Ayan yung ACT to eh. Tsaka New South Wales. Tama ba? Yeah. Yan si Zach. Bumalik siya. Galing na yan sa ano, sa changing room nila. Masakit daw yung legs niya. Yung stretch niya. Paggabi, inano ko yan. Pinasal ko massage ko. Yan na si Kuya.
I only had orange. And it was this vegetable tempura. That's all I had.
They don't have the chicken? Kuya?
Huh?
They don't have the chicken?
What?
The, sushi?
Oh, no.
No more. Mag-start na sila yung si Kuya. Ayun yung team natin. Dapat manalo sila dito. The bomb. Maybe it's hurting. No, remember he landed really hard yesterday? Yeah, nadulas kasi sa kahapon ilang beses yun. Masakit yung bum niya, tsaka yung legs niya. Even this one, the back one. I tried to massage his back knee. Sit down, please. Laging kinahawakan ni Sak yung bum niya. Sakit daw. Maybe the muscles from the thigh. Come on, Sak. This is the last game. Stop doing that, babe.
Sorry, bro. I'm tappy.
Yeah, I'm vlogging.
Tappy me.
Ayun naman. Poste sa gabal sa atin. Ayan yung makakalaban nila, Western Australia. Magaling daw yung Western Australia kasi nanood sila ng game nito. Ang galing daw ng ng mga galawan nila. So we'll see. Sana mas magaling tayo. Mag-start na. Sabi ko sa inyo kanina, mga kalaban nila is yung purple, hindi pala yan guys. Yung kanilang uniform is yellow. Andun pala sila sa kabila. Ba't kasi sila nandyan? Ayan na. Good luck! Panalo nyo tong game na to, please. 4 win tayo, 2 loss. Andawing si Sa. Hindi nyo lang makita. Andawing sa kabilang side. Come on, Sak! Kick! Oh, buhatan na naman dun. Yes, go! Yes! Come on. Go, Saki. Yes, come on. Have a go. Oh. Hindi ko mahanap si Sak. Basta number 21 siya. Oh. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, Shepherd. Oh. Ayan si Sak. Ayan naman ang commentator natin. Come on. Oh my God. Come on. Come on, Shep. Go, 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 go. Go, Sak! Oh my God, ang posting to. Chat Saki. Posting to kadapat. Come on. Go, Sak! Kanina katabi kasi dyan. Andun, umalis ako kasi nga yan. Kasi na. Shop. Oh. Come on, come on, come on. No one. Naka 1 point na yung kalaban natin.
Have a shot! Have a shot!
Come on boys, naka-goal na yung Western Australia. Basta. Ng position siya.
Zach!
That's not for Zach. Oh. Come on. Oh my God, 3 goals. Hindi yun sa atin. Sa kabila yun. Come on, SA, kick! My God. Go, son! Go, son! Come on! Come on! Gus! Press! Go, 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 go ahead! Shepherd! Kick! Go, Zach! Kick! Yeah, oh! Come on! Come on, come on! Oh my God! Go, Zach! Go, Zach! Go! Yeah, talk. No one's there. God. Yeah. Come on, run.
Right there. Pick up that man there. Get on it.
Come on, kick! Oh. Come on, SA. Go, Zach! Oh. Goal na naman. Na, point. Point, Han? Beb? I don't know why they're always kicking that way. Oh, diba? They always kick on that. Come! Oh.
Zach! Zach!
Go, Zach. Oh, they kick it over there again. Always that side. Come on! Don't let them have a goal again. Come on! Wala ba tayo? Go, Saki. Go, 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 go! So no one's there. Hurry up! Run! My God! Oh. Good job, Jimmy! We have 58 seconds. Go, Jimmy! Give it to Zach! Yes! Come on! Have a goal! Come on, come on! Go! Oh, they got it again. Go, Jimmy! Yeah, come on! Wala na, 4 seconds na lang. Wala na. Tapos na yung first quarter. 3 goals sila, 0 tayo. Start na ulit yung second quarter. Come on, boy. Dito na yung goal natin. Wow. Yan ang start ng second quarter. Tapos na yung second quarter, guys. Wala. 2 points lang tayo. 4 goals sa kabila.
They got to hold them off this quarter. I know, they got to hold them off
Start na
though.
yung third quarter.
You still lost that. Yeah, probably.
Look, look. So, Zach. Tingnan nyo, ayan yung oval yung white, diba? Hanggang dyan. Nandoon talaga sila, oh. Doon sila lagi. 90% ng oval hindi nagagawin. Come on, get in there, Zach. Rugby yesterday, volleyball today. Come on.
Gotta score one. Get one.
Oh, make it up. Kick. Oh, where are you? Oh, they're going this way again. Go, Zach! Go, run, Zach! Come on! Come on!
Yes, Josh! Ball! Ball! Right tackle, Josh!
Dito naman kayo. Dito naman makikita namin ang bukan.
Zach, square. Square. Get in it.
Go, go, go! Go! Come on, come on! Kick! Run, 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 run! Run! Go, go, go! Go, 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 go! Oh. Come on! Oh! Go, kick! Oh, it's ours. Oh, it's not us.
Get on. Get on him.
Jump! Come on, pass it! Oh my God.
There we go. He's holding it.
Oh! My God, how many? Oh, no, no, no! Ay, go, go, go! Go, Zach! Go! Come on, you kick at least one.
Not too much.
I know, just one, please. Go, son. Okay. Go, it's yours. Give us one.
Well, we weren't going to get that anyway because the girls team got together yesterday. Come on, mate. Like, we've been fucking playing since for the last 3 months, you know. Just, there should be some message.
Come on, run. Come on, it's on our side. Oh my god. Kick! Kick! Oh shit.
Get
Go,
the
Red!
ball! Get that ball!
Jim! Go, Jim!
Stop! Yes!
Come on. Oh!
Get the ball! Get there, William!
Give her! Go! Kick! Talo tayo! So closing ceremony na to. So 7 states na.
On their way home. Firstly, I just want to thank everyone for a wonderful 12 years AFL National Championships on the Sunshine Coast, mostly sunny, just a couple of days. Firstly, I would also like to acknowledge our workers and our volunteers who have made this all happen. Getting to know each and every one of you across the week is always a highlight, knowing people from different states, and if they weren't here, your kids wouldn't be here, so can we please give them a round of applause. These tournaments don't happen overnight. It takes a lot of preparation, it takes a lot of you to get them here. So if it wasn't for you, they also wouldn't get the opportunity to play here. So please thank yourselves. Students, please thank your parents.
Of the results of our championship for 2025. In the Girls' Championship, achieving 7th position was the Australian Capital Territory. In the Boys' Championship, achieving 7th position, the Northern Territory. Sixth in the Girls' Championship, the Northern Territory. Sixth in the Boys' Championship, the Australian Capital Territory. Fifth in the Girls' Championship, South Australia. Fifth in the Boys' Championship, New South Wales. Fourth in the Girls' Championship, Queensland. And fourth in the boys' championship, South Australia. Now, this leads us on to our medalists, and what will happen is when I announce your team, you will come forth to the dais and get your medals from Corinne. Then we'll have a bit of a line-up of the team about here where I am, facing your appreciative viewers, and we'll get a happy snap. The bronze medalists in the Girls' Championship, Western Australia. Silver medal for the Girls' Champions. And gentlemen, I present to you the gold medalist for 2025, Victoria.
Australian Football Championships 12 years age group for 2025. So thank you very much for coming to the Sunshine Coast, and we wish you all the best.
Gutom yung ating player. Ayan. Meron siyang ano.
Look at that.
What's that?
That's just turnip.
That's not pretty small over.
Is it alright? Is that good, no? That's a veggies tempura.
That full forward, Nick. He's not like. He's a hog.
So we don't get medals, huh? We're fourth.
Yeah, them coaches are big, mate.
We're done sa batok. Ano? Kahol ng kahol to. Tahol ng tahol, kahol ng kahol. Ubo ng ubo. Si Kuya nasa harapan this time. What's that, Zach?
You couldn't have a chance. No,
Where's
you
it?
couldn't even kick a goal downwind. They only kicked.
Pero go-usapan pa rin ng game.
Well, they kicked first three.
Well, I don't know
goals.
how Nick missed those two in front.
I know.
Oh, what a kick then.
Yeah. You have a chance.
The fruit shed.
You had a chance.
Fruit shed.
Yung ano nila, yung sa goaler, daming chance nila sana maka-goal, kaso malas. Hindi talaga malapit na dun sa ano, sa goaler. Wala.
That Harry kid went real
That two kick that he did, it's just a point. It's just point. Sayang yun. Kayo sana ang third.
I know I did, didn't I, Dad? Dad, I touched that.
What do you think about the umpires?
Bad.
But minsan kasi nasa umpire din ang ano, ang decision. Hindi fair minsan ang umpire. What time is it, Zach? Pabalik tayo sa ano, Airbnb, ha? 2:33. 2:33. Mag-aayos ako ng aming luggage. Maglalaba ulit. Labang ko ulit to. Ito mga suit namin. Para ang laban natin ay yung suit lang. Bukas. Pakubarin ko na sila. Mag-andis na lang sila. Char. Hindi.
It's a big one.
That one, I will wash that one, Sa.
Yeah, it's rugby.
Northern Territory.
Yeah, I have to wash that one too, Zachary. You feel better?
Hey.
Yeah. Because we're gonna fly tomorrow, you have to feel better, holy girl. Because your ears, oh, that will be painful. So yung suit ni Zach na pinanglaro niya the whole week, swinap niya sa isang team. Where's that auntie jersey, Zach?
Oh, it's upstairs.
No, then
Yeah, it's upstairs.
what do you mean upstairs?
TJ, throw that NT Guernsey back. It's on the stairs. Oh.
Where?
Oh, damn it. Here you go, Pop.
So how many you have? Just one, right? So ito yung
I don't have an essay one.
Mom,
So I just thought that.
so ito yung sinap niya. Ito yung mga what do you call this again? Bag? Huh? No, this one's. No, parang badge ba?
Hang on, I'll be back.
My t-shirt's there.
Alright, maglalaba ako. Lalaba. 5. You're missing 1. You don't have South Australia?
Wait, show us all the matches.
Here. So, ito, every game, sila, binibigyan sila nito ng kalaban nila. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Out the packet.
Oh, sayang naman. This is your remembrance.
Where's ACT?
That's all I have.
Bro, I gave you. Oh, TJ's got one.
Well, can you ask
I
TJ?
think. I don't know.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dapat 7 siya kasi eto sa atin SA. 3, 4. So, you're missing 2. So, yan pala yung tinupi ko kagabi. And yung sapatos na ginamit ni Sak is yung isa, hindi ito. Kasi basa pa yan kanina. Yung pool, hindi na nagamit. So, ayan yung aking mga lalabahan. Eto, bago to, ayaw ni Sak ang amoy, kaya labahan ko na raw. Okay. Ayan, naload na natin yung ating labahan. Gumagawa siya ng ham and cheese, toasty. Maglinis ako dito. And, tanggalin ko naman yung mga nakahugasan na plato dyan. Nagwa-vacuum na dun si Jan. Ayan ako, hinuhugasan ko na lang yung mga ginamit kanina. Hindi ko pa na-empty yung dishwasher natin. Empty ko yan. Nililinis ko lang dito sa sink. So, yung first, yung champion is Victoria. Lagi naman silang champion. Kasi, ang daming magagaling talaga sa kanila. 900 ba naman ang, sabihin pa natin 800 yung nag-try out. Talagang nakakapili sila ng the best, at saka matatangkad sila. Then, yung second, sino ba yung second? Queensland. Yes, Queensland yung second. Tapos third, yun yung kalabang kanina. Kung nanalo sila sa kanina, sila sana yung third. Eh, hindi. Natalo sila, so fourth sila. So third yung Western Australia. Pero at least, kahit natalo, good experience naman sa kanila yun. And si Sak, kahit natalo yung team nila, may award naman si Sak nung first laro nila. Yung best ano siya eh. Eto ba? So, eto siya. Best on ground. Ayan. Yung first game. Tapos, ang pumili ay hindi yung team ni Sak, sa ibang team na, ibang coach and umpires ang nagpili. So, at least, may memory si Sak dyan na ganyan. Naging best din siya sa first game. Although natalo sila 8 points. Kung nanalo sila nung Queensland, sila sana yung second. Third. Third. Kasi natalo sila ng Western. Pero kung natalo nila yung Western, tsaka yung Queensland, sila yung second. Kaso hindi. Alright, malapit na ako matapos dito. Magluto ko ng eggs kasi may eggs pa tayo. And yung aking salad. So, yun yung snack ko. Alright. Si Holly, busog na yan. May hugasan na naman ako. Ha? We're having KFC? Dinner daw KFC.
I don't know why I ate.
Why?
Because I haven't had a sing now.
Now? Now? Sure now? Ang aga naman. Ang aga ng dinner. madaming ano sa Timisak, maraming ano mo yun, yung hindi nag-share. So parang sila lang din. Hindi doon, maraming like si Jan, tapos yung ibang parents hindi masaya dahil sa wala bang teamwork, parang gusto nila silang gumawa agad. Sila lang ang gagawa lang. Yeah, Hala, so this one, we waste this one.
I'm getting 10 piece because I want some.
Now. Yan, nakaluto na ako ng 3 eggs. Kasi yung pina-order ko lang naman kay Kuya ay yung chicken boneless para sa akin. And meron pa ako isang may mussel chef. Meron pa tayong isa. So baka bukas ko yun bago tayo umalis kainin ko. Chinek ko yung time. Ano pa lang, 3:38. Ang aga ng pa-dinner ni Sir. So tamang-tama ito sa akin snack. Si Sak sa taas nanonood. So kainin ko muna to. Yeah, dito na sila.
Zach! Oh, you already ate it.
Yeah, nakadalawa na akong salad. Bumalik ako at kumuha. Ayun na yung mga nabili nila.
Yeah, we've got the coleslaw.
Alright.
On the bridge.
Is this the chicken yet?
Oh, that's all they charged us extra.
Ito yung
He gave
bone.
us 2 boneless chickens.
10.
Yeah, 10. Yeah, 10.
20 we got.
We got 20 now. Maybe you ordered 2.
You heard me say 1.
Yeah, we said 10.
That looks 10 in there, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So you and Zach share?
Wow.
Yeah,
And that's yours, Kuya? That's
How
by
much
yourself?
was it?
$80 for that, Zach.
So next time we're gonna get the giant feast with a lot of chicken. $50. Alright.
And I didn't
What, are
say,
these boneless?
I didn't say apple pie and he's put one in there.
Wow, so you got free.
Ah.
Nah,
It's not free.
You pay for that.
probably.
Yeah. May mga...
Oh, how much was that?
So, dalawang ganito. Isa lang, 10 pieces yung order nila. Ha? It's nice. 10 pieces daw yung order nila nito. Pero dalawang
No,
box,
this-
ha? Really good. This is good. This is good. You should, it's spicy ba?
Nah, right there.
Oh, no, as long as you don't make a
Oh,
mess.
we're not going to.
Okay.
Oh,
I put the rubbish away.
You got muscle sauce? The mashed potato? Okay. Yeah, nakalimutan nila yung
Is that good? That
di ba? What you got?
for you.
You already have chicken tender here, sa?
No, but they're only.
Alright, sa akin chicken. Alright.
Take that, get out my
What you got, babe? Burger?
Thank you,
This is
guys.
good but spicy.
Thank you.
Hiwa-hiwalay kami.
Take that, get out.
Alright. Ang aga ng dinner. Si Kuya may 10 piraso nito at saka chicken tender. Kuya lang talaga. May orange juice tayo. Yan. Ang pinapanood ko ay, sabi ko sa inyo, The Trace of Heart kagabi. The Mark Heart pala. Ano siya? Mexico ata to. Maganda siya. In fairness, season 2 na ako. So, ito pala yung tutupiin ko. And ito yung mga hinubad namin. Lalabhan ko rin. Para wala talaga tayong labahan. Okay? Last labada dito. Tupi na ako. So, dyan wala na yung damit. Kasi natulog naman niya na walang damit eh. Sabi ko akin na para malaban. Magtupi tayo. Ay ako lang pala. Paligo na pala tayo. Para bukas, hot bath na lang. Gamit ko pala yung ST. Ayan, patutuyin natin ito. Blow dry ko na yung aking buhok. And yung aking luggage. Meron pa akong ilalagay ng mga damit. Naayos ko na siya pero hindi pa. Tapos ito. Bago natin i-dry yung buhok natin, ito yung gamit ko. Si Bumble and Bumble Heat Protection.